So happy to be here and to be able to share this time with you. So we're going to introduce you every day to aspects of care that you can apply right away. Or maybe you're just like mastectomy curious. You're like, what is this all about? And you want to explore. So this intro course is a great place to do that. And this is our starting place. This is kind of the doorway. This is where we get going. But what I realized, the more that I learned, the more I realized a mastectomy is not just a mastectomy, because every surgical pathway creates different healing trajectories. And what we're aiming to do with this intro course is get you started in this work. If you decide this is for me, I want to go down this path, we've got certificate programs where you can get your CEUs and you can get all the in-depth training. And we're going to tell you about those over the course of this time that we have together so that you know, if you want to go farther, how you can do that. Now, we are going to be sharing with you beautiful skills that you can apply to your practice. Every day, you're going to get clinical skills, but I want to broaden your mind as to what it means to work with a post-mastectomy population, because it goes far beyond what you do with your hands on the table.
I want to be with people like that. I want to be able to make them feel comfortable, and the healing touches and the love that can come through our hands, and be able to support them in their journey through, because it's a lot.
So that I can help these people that are part of my community and offer them that safe space and just like know more what to do, and I can offer it up to work with them, closer.
So we will show you, no matter what your reason is, how to get started during this intro course, and then share further training if you want to get your certificate and your CEUs so that you can do this work at a high level. But we need to make sure that what we're offering is in alignment with our ethics and our professionalism, and we've got good protocols and everything is transparent so everybody knows what's happening. And this makes it really safe and really beautiful to do. Letting yourself absorb, hands over the lower chest or breasts, feeling the peace and the love and the calm. Second part of the exercise, shake your hands out. Shake, 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 getting rid of all the mindfulness. Put your hands over your upper shoulders. Maybe it was someone who cut you off in traffic, and gosh darn it, that intersection is the worst. If you can skillfully and intelligently combine these systems working together, you can create massive change.
And when I signed up for this course and started taking the intro, I was like, what am I doing? There wasn't much I could really do to help them. And this course was such an eye-opener, especially learning like all the different types of surgeries, what they go through. So it's been an amazing journey so far, even from day one from taking this course.
I love it. So beautiful. Local breast cancer organizations. Totally possible.
Totally possible.
Public clinics in Quebec. Totally possible. Yeah. Facebook groups.
Totally possible.
To just let you know, all things are totally possible. So those of you who are watching the recording, thank you for watching the recording.
Thank you.
Ciao for now.
Okay. Bye, everybody.